Hello everybody, today we're going to be checking out engine 21, and here it is, and right here is our indoor cab, the back where medicals, tools and stuff go in here. Right here is the captain seat where he operates, and that's his gear right there. And right here there's a lot of discharges where we you easily turn this thing. The holes will go by 50 feet above the street. Right here is our equipment for our tools, our airbags, a lot of stuff that we need for the fire. Right here, or our air tanks, right over here. And right here, we got fire extinguishers. And it's part of the truck. Here is a shovel, X, 2 X's we got in here. And this is all our equipment stuff. We got a sledgehammer that we need, or we can smash the door. There we go. Right here. Right here is the sand for the car fires, where gasoline's leaking on the floor and a car accident happened. And so they'll put all the sand around the car and put it on top of the gasoline. Right here is some more hoses that we got. Let me just close this. There we go. There we go. And right here, we got ladders, we got a pipe hole, we got a stretcher. Right here is our secondary lights. We can control the traffic, and a camera in the back. Right here's the caboose for our house fires. And over here, we have more equipment in here that we need for our procedures. Right here's the gas kit. Right here, we got some more air tanks in there. And right here, we got some cutters, we got a doorknob, we got, this is a big old crowbar, and right there is another X. There we go. There we go. Right here is our guard chumps for the other stuff. And we got more stuff. We got a tool bag for all our tools. And right here is a staff mem pumper, where we got different syllables, air pressure. This way you put the pressure higher. And right here is all our stuff. We got controls. and we got a discharge in the back right here, and right here is the other side of the cab. This is already open. Right here is the driver's seat for the operator, and here it is. And right here is the front, and right there is our light. Up there is a bright light where we can usually, if you want to see at night. Right here is our lights, and it's called Pierce. It's New Orleans. And right here is for the car fires, garbage trucks. And you know, there's a lot of stuff today, you know. And I want to thank everybody if you do enjoy this video. Well, if you guys, this is just a spare. This is another spare truck. This truck break down, they'll bring this to Engine 1 to all the broken down trucks. I'll check that out for you guys. I'll check that out for you guys at Engine 1 when I go back. This is just a spare Engine 13. This is an old Engine 13. It's really a great truck, but you know. And I hope you guys enjoy this video of Engine 21. If you guys want to see it again, click that like button, and views and subscribers. You want to see this again? Here it is, Engine 21.